Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video I am going to show you how you can extend the battery life on this device in the case of an emergency by using the Ultra power saving mode. So this is very useful. For example, if you have left your charger at home and you've gone over to your girlfriend's house to spend the night. She doesn't have an Android phone, she has an iPhone, so obviously her charger is not going to fit to charge up your phone. So this is very useful in a case like that. Or if the battery is running very low and you're expecting a very important call, this is also very useful in a situation like that as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable it. So all you have to do is just pull down the notifications twice, and then you will see the power saving mode option here. Just long press on it and it will bring you into power saving mode. So at the moment my battery is at 18%, so it's running very low and I do not have a charger, so I would simply just turn the power saving mode on, and now it's going to give me 11 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. You also get these options here where you can set the power saving options. Let me just turn it off a second. So you can set the power saving options. So you can turn off the always on display. You can limit the speed of the CPU to 70%. You can decrease the brightness by 10%. You can also turn off 5G. So you can just turn off the ones that you want and turn on the power saving mode, but obviously it's going to give you less hours, so I recommend just turning them on. And as you can see, it gives 2 hours extra time there because it did go down to 9 hours when I turned them off. As you can see, 9 hours 5 minutes. So I recommend just turning them on. And as you can see now, I've got 11 hours 20 minutes. And if you want to turn on the ultra power saving mode, just turn on this switch here. So this is going to limit the apps and home screen for maximum power saving. So it's only going to allow selected apps, and it's also going to limit all background activity, turn off edge panels and change to dark theme. So turn that on. Okay, so it's limited now. As you can see here, I can only make phone calls and receive phone calls, send messages. I can use the internet still, and I've still got access to my settings. But there's 4 boxes down here that you can add applications to. So if you desperately want to use Gmail or any other application like the gallery or Samsung Free, YouTube, Netflix, Maps, you can still add any of those applications if you desperately really want to still have access to them. So I'll add the Play Store, and I'll still need to use Galaxy Wearable on my watch. So you can still add certain applications, but as you can see guys, I'm going to get 1 day and 12 hours with 18% of battery left. So yeah guys, this is very useful. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're sleeping over at a friend's house, a girlfriend's house, whatever, they don't have an Android device, so their charger will not work on your phone. So yeah, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Subscribe to my channel. Remember guys, hit that notification bell as well so you get notified the second I upload a video. Android S21 Ultra for life guys. Doses.